Hi, I'm Radha and today I'm proud to be working at Google as a product analyst. But just a few months ago, I was looking for a way to reach my goals and take my career to the next level. Let me tell you how I got here. I graduated in 2023 with a degree in computer science and engineering. I have worked hard and kept my grades up, but I wanted to go beyond just good grades. My ambition was to make a real impact in the tech world. My journey started at Meralytics as a data engineer. It was a great first job and I learned so much. But I knew I wanted to aim higher, push myself and reach roles that I would make my mark. I started looking for ways to grow my skills and move into high-paying competitive roles. That's when I discovered OdinSchool. Their career-focused bootcamp looked like exactly what I needed to level up. A practical, hands-on curriculum with support every step of the way. The bootcamp was intense but so rewarding. I learned everything I needed to take on the job market, from advanced data analysis to strategic thinking. And OdinSchool's placement support was invaluable. They didn't just teach me skills, they prepared me for every interview and helped me showcase my strengths. Then came the big moment. Vaco Binary Semantics Limited was hiring for the client Google for a product analyst role, and they conducted an exclusive drive for OdinSchool graduates. I was very excited to know that if I got selected in the drive, I would work in Google. So I gave it my best shot, and I was the first candidate selected for this role at Google through the drive. It's amazing to be here at Google, working alongside some of the best minds in the industry. Every day is a chance to grow and contribute in meaningful ways. I am grateful for the support and guidance that helped me get here. Thanks to OdinSchool's bootcamp, I was able to make this dream a reality. If you have a big ambitions but don't know where to start, take that first step. If I can do it, you can too.